So let's say you have a job, you're thinking about starting your own business, but you're wondering, what do I do about insurance? All right, you might need some health insurance for yourself or for your family, and you don't know what to do as an entrepreneur because you got insurance through your job. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about not only what to do for getting health insurance for yourself, but also about business insurance. So stay tuned, drop the intro, let's go.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
What's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Cleanbids Network, where I help people start and grow commercial cleaning companies. Alright, I help multiple people get to the six-figure level with their cleaning company, but that's not exactly what we're here to talk about today. Alright, today we're going to talk about what do you do when you become an entrepreneur and you still need health insurance. Well, I can answer this question with one word. Okay, you ready? Obamacare. All right. Now, I know it's not called Obamacare. That's not the official title for it, because I know my technical people going to come in. Well, it's called the Affordable Care Act. I know. But Obama did start it. He passed that, into fruition. So I want to give a man his credit. So it's Obamacare. And shout out to Trump, too. He helped make the law better, if you ask me, in my opinion. But either way, it is this now. And that's what entrepreneurs should use. So if you like, okay, well, I can't afford to pay for healthcare, my business is just getting off the ground, I'm not making any money, no worries on that, all right? If you go to healthcare.gov, apply for it, that's the Affordable Care Act, aka Obamacare. So you go to healthcare.gov and just apply for it, all right? It's going to be based off of your income. They'll give you some type of stipend to help you cover, like they'll tell you the cost of what your medical insurance is going to be for you and your family. And then, or just you if you don't have a family yet. All right, and then what will happen is they'll let you know that you qualify for this amount based off of what you expect to make for this year. So you got to tell them how much you expect to make. So if you don't expect to make no money, and you tell them you don't expect to make no money, if you expect to make 50,000, tell them 50,000, right? But they basically gonna look at the size of your household, match that with your projected income, and they'll tell you, hey, you qualify for this amount in payment assistance for healthcare. All right. Then you go through, they got tons and tons of plans up there. You pick the best plan for you. Me personally, I like to go with the plans with the high deductible but the low monthly rate, so that way, because I typically should have enough cash to pay a high deductible in case emergency happen, right? Because for the most part, my family and I, we're pretty much healthy. We're not going to the doctor very often throughout the year. So therefore, I don't want to have to be paying a high monthly payment every single month for something that we're not even going to use, right? Now, let's just say we got in a catastrophic car accident or some type of crazy freak accident. That is when I would really need insurance. So that's why it's like, okay, well, we got into one of those and the bill is 80,000, but I got a high deductible. And when I say high deductible, I'm talking the range around about 15,000, 20,000. Okay, I can hustle up or cough up $15,000, $20,000, and then they cover the rest, right? But it beats having no insurance and they have to be stuck with that $80,000 health care bill. And on top of that, not getting the best service from the doctors because they see that you don't have insurance, right? So that's how I go about doing it, but it's up to you how you want to go about doing it. So that answers your question, all right? Healthcare.gov is what entrepreneurs should be doing to get healthcare. Now, there's also independent reps that do exist out here who offer healthcare services, so you can reach out to them as well. All right, we have one in the Cleanbids Network, and she's available as well. So if you're a Cleanbids Network member, just tag me in the group and ask me who that member is, and I'll go ahead and tag that person on your post for you. All right. Now, if you're wondering about insurance for your business, it's very simple, especially for my cleaning business owners who are listening to this. I already told y'all in several other videos, but I'll cover it real quick again. You want to have liability coverage, workers' comp coverage, and bond coverage. All right. Now, for liability, you're usually going to want a $1 million policy, $2 million in aggregate. Like I said, the workers' comp, you get that coverage, and then the bond coverage, you can usually get about $50,000 worth of bond coverage, or try to get closest to that as possible if you can qualify for it. All right. And the company that I recommend is called Next. I got a link right in my comments below. I am an affiliate for Next, but I also use Next, and I highly recommend them. It's a good company. They got affordable rates, and they actually, care about the smaller guys. They reached out to me personally because they found my YouTube channel, and so, I was impressed by the fact that they actually were familiar with me. They're familiar with working with smaller brands and smaller businesses, so I highly recommend them. So if you're interested in getting some business insurance for yourself, definitely check out that link in my comments below. And other than that, y'all, it's very simple. Very short video today. I'm AJ Simmons. I'm out. Go ahead and get your insurance.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbidsnetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.